In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a listing presentation using the Agent Elite Design Studio. So to get started, let's go to the left-hand column and let's go to the real estate templates. Okay, let's scroll down to the listing presentation and select that. And select Create Design. You can look at the preview here, so take a few seconds and look at it if you want, and then select Create Design again. It may take several seconds for this to populate. It's a large file with a lot of pictures. Now that that's opened up, let's go ahead and get started. Let's double click on the main photo. Alright, that's going to open up my uploads, and now I just need to find the photo that I want to feature on the cover. Okay, that's the photo. But I want to make this photo a little bit larger, so I'm going to drag it to the side, find one of the corners, click on that corner, and then I'm going to drag it so that the photo is a little bit larger. Now just click and drag the photo to adjust its placement. Perfect. Next, we need to adjust our logo. So let's go ahead and make that a little bit larger, and let's adjust its location. Next, we just need to update the address here on the cover. It's real simple. All you need to do is double click on the text, select all, and then type in the address. So let's move down to page 2. Page 2 is basically a rinse and repeat of the first page. We're going to double click on the image, we're going to select a replacement from our uploads, and then we're going to go ahead and center that as well. To finish the second page, let's go ahead and put the customer's name in, and let's go ahead and re-enter the address. And again, following the same steps, highlight the field and type over what was already in there. I want to make this font look a little bit bigger, so I'm going to click on it. And then up above, I'm going to select the font size and make it larger. Now on page 3, one of the first things that we want to do is we want to customize this for the owners. So we're going to change owner to Don and Cindy. We also want to make sure we customize the text on this page. It's easy with the AI content generator. The next page is your bio page. Take a few minutes and really spend some time on this. You're selling yourself before you'll ever be able to sell their house, and this is where you're going to do it. If you struggle to write things about yourself, go ahead and use the AI content generator. It's going to make it very easy to get a very well-worded blurb that's really going to help sell you. And at the bottom of the page, you can feature testimonials from past customers. Let them sell you as well. The next page is an opportunity to show off your current listings. And the page below that gives you the chance to basically run an advertisement for yourself. So let's customize this page. Double click on the main photo and then select the photo that you want to replace it with. Now go ahead and adjust the photo until it fits and looks good. In this case, I'm going to make the photo a little smaller, so I'm going to drag it until I find a corner, grab that corner and shrink the photo with it, and then I'm going to recenter everything up. And let's just roll through the next few pages and change the images on those as well. Alright, those look good. Now let's continue scrolling down. On the next page, you can show them some of the things that you do to help promote the properties that you list. Things like flyers and social media posts and really whatever it is that you do. On the next few pages, you can talk about some of the services you provide as their realtor, like staging. Make sure that you choose a photo that's well staged, and don't forget to adjust the placement of the photo to really feature the staging you've done. Maybe you have a relationship with a local photographer. This is a great place to focus on their abilities and their tools and their equipment. Let your customers nerd out on that a little bit. On the next page, talk about your social media. Show them what platforms you're on, how active you are, and exactly what you do to help promote the properties that you list. On the next page, take a few minutes to educate your customers about the current market conditions. Make sure they understand why you're pricing the home the way that you are and what they can expect from the seller experience. Don't forget that if you need help writing this all out, you can use the AI content generator, which is going to make it very simple. And moving down to the next page, this is where you're going to introduce your prospective clients to the team that makes what you do possible. We're talking about your paperwork specialist, we're talking about your office manager, really anybody who works on your team to help you sell their home efficiently and quickly. And let's finish up the final page with a really nice exterior photo of the house. And I would spend a few minutes writing this blurb and make sure that you express your heartfelt gratitude for the opportunity to present their property. Now, several times during this video, we've discussed using the AI content generator, and to get information on using the AI content generator or any other features of the Design Studio, go to the Agent Elite knowledge base at help.agentelite.com. Thanks for joining me today.